So you just got the MX Master 3 and you're curious about some of the functionality of the mouse. First of all, I made a few other videos about like the main gestures of this mouse, so definitely go watch those. But this video is kind of the step 2 where I take a little bit of a deeper dive into some new functionality that I've used with the mouse and I'm starting to use recently, and I wanted to share it with you guys. So hi, my name is Matthew and I talk about tech, about process improvement on my channel, so if you want to go check it out, and if you like the video, like it, and I would appreciate it. We're going to be talking about 3 buttons today. This gesture button on the bottom, then the forward and the back gesture buttons. The gesture button I use on the thumb button, I have now started to use it to snap my window left, snap my window right, and then open a folder and then launch an application. So I have my Word document here and it's just floating on my screen and I want to start to snap it to one side. All I have to do is press down that gesture button and swipe right, and then it snaps to the grid, which is super awesome. And then it gives you an option to pick the other side. So I'm going to pick the Excel spreadsheet. So now I have 2 documents here. I've snapped left and right, really easy. So second step, we'll do the open folder. All you have to do is press the button, swipe down, and then a folder that you select is open. And I'll show you how to do that. All you have to do is when you customize it and you open your folder and you go down to open folder, you can select what path you want. All you have to do is select it and it's done. So then what I also use for this gesture button is the launch application. So for me as a business analyst, I use Power BI. So I'm going to press the button and swipe up, and then my application of choice is going to populate. So I'm going to press the button, swipe up, and I'm going to wait for it to launch. And now you can see that Power BI opened, and then the application that I use all the time is always available for me. Also, if you haven't used Power BI before, you should check it out because it's super cool and I love using it. This one's cool. So for the forward button, I use just the arrow keys, right, left, up, down. And this is super handy in Excel or just anywhere, to be honest. So I'll just show you an example of some of the capabilities. So I have a bunch of numbers in here, but the cool thing is since I have my arrow keys in my mouse, now I can just go left or right, left, right, up and down. So you can see how I'm moving the mouse around, and then everything is moving accordingly, which is super great. If you press Control and then you press the gesture button to go any direction you want, you can go from the first entry point to the last in Excel. So super handy. So I'm going from A and then I'll eventually get to K. So I will press the button, swipe right, and I'm all the way there. If you want to highlight it all, I can do Control Shift and everything gets highlighted, and that's just done super fast. I don't have to, like I said before, put both hands on my keyboard. I can keep one on my mouse. It keeps my productivity up and it's very exciting, very fun. Anytime you would use your keys, you can just use your mouse, which is, I use it more than I think I do. And then we'll go to back finally. So when I go there, I've only assigned one button, which is the triple click. So when I'm in my files all the time, I always have to press my button, you know, double click, and it's really annoying and I don't like it. So recently I found out that if I change it to an advanced click or a triple click, then I'm able to interact really nicely inside my files. So if I want to just click something, you know, normally you double click and you can get into a file, but now all I have to do is press my back button and then swipe right, and then I'm into it. If you're really wanting to go into files really fast and you don't want to keep double clicking, then this is a great option for you. It can save you a bunch of clicks. So yeah, those are some new functions that I've found out with this Logitech MX Master 3. There's a plethora of options and you can just keep going into it. So if you have any recommendations or any cool things you figured out, let me know in the comments and I'll respond to you. And I kind of just want to learn from you because we'll all learn and we'll all get better at using this mouse to the most productive way possible. If you haven't watched my other videos, go check them out because I'm going to show you a bunch of other features that this mouse can do, and it's just really exciting, so you should definitely go check those out. And other than that, I want to help you out just like I would my brother, and I'll see you in the next video. Have fun using your MX Master 3 to the best of its abilities.